Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home security with the Google Nest Cam Outdoor IQ. If you're in the market for top-notch surveillance, look no further. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about why this is the best Nest Cam Outdoor IQ available. With its cutting-edge technology and robust features, it stands tall among its competitors. One of the standout features is its built-in intelligence. The Nest Cam can distinguish between people, animals, and vehicles, ensuring you only get notified about what matters most. Plus, with 1080p HDR video quality and night vision, you'll always have crystal-clear footage, day or night. What sets this camera apart is its versatility. Whether you want to mount it outdoors or indoors, its battery-powered design and magnetic mount make installation a breeze. No need to worry about outlets or complicated setups. Worried about Wi-Fi outages or power failures? Fear not. The Nest Cam has you covered. It stores up to an hour of recorded events locally, ensuring you never miss a moment, even during downtime. And let's not forget about its seamless integration with voice assistants. Whether you're using Alexa or Google Assistant, you can stream your live video feed hands-free on compatible devices. In conclusion, the Google Nest Cam Outdoor IQ is the ultimate surveillance solution for your home. With its advanced features, reliable performance, and easy installation, it's a no-brainer for anyone looking to bolster their security setup. That wraps up our review of the Google Nest Cam Outdoor IQ. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. And as always, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and secure.